In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block off months on Acuity Scheduling, guiding you through the steps with the most up-to-date methods for 2025. Whether you're planning a vacation, a sabbatical, or simply need to reorganize your schedule, this tutorial will help you manage your calendar with ease. First, head over to acuityscheduling.com, which is the main platform we'll be working with today. Once the page loads, you'll see the home page where we can begin our journey to a more organized calendar. Look for the login button located at the top corner of the site and give it a click. This will take you to the login screen where you'll need to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy. If you've forgotten them, there are options to recover your account, so don't worry. Once you're logged in, your dashboard will load up. Here, look for the tab marked Calendar and click on it. This is where you'll be able to view, manage, and make changes to your existing schedule. Now, as we move to block off an entire month, find the option labeled Block Off Time. Clicking this will open a new section dedicated to scheduling time off from your calendar. Within this section, you'll see the options to set your start date and end date. To block off an entire month, simply set the start date to the first day of your chosen month and the end date to the last day of that same month. It's worth noting that you can also use this feature to block off specific weeks or days if needed, but today our focus is on whole months. Make sure that the dates you've entered cover the precise span of the month you intend to block. Finally, with these dates set, look for the button that says Block Off Time. Click it to confirm your selections. At this point, Acuity will process these changes, ensuring that no appointments can be scheduled during the blocked period. And there you have it. Those are the steps to successfully block off months on Acuity Scheduling. It's a straightforward process, but remember, planning ahead is key. Make sure to double check your blocked dates to avoid any future scheduling conflicts. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy scheduling.